Two, share capital account 1 lakh. This goes in favor of building. What is called in arrears? Called by the company, not paid by the shareholder is called. This is the last entry for feature. First entry 1000 for feature. Second one 3000. Totally 4000 will come. Paid less than 4. 500 share paid less than 4 means their shares were forfeited. Who share? So one on allotment, one on the first call, one on the final call. So go with the application. First entry. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to handle Financial Accounting 3 of third semester BBA. We are going to, the journey goes here, issue of shares of a joint stock company. In the last session, we discussed about the share at a par, share at a premium. What is a share? Share is a part of share capital, or the capital of a joint stock company has been divided into a number of units. Each unit is called a share. Share can be issued in 3 ways: share at a par, share at a premium, share at a discount. Which are the 3 ways are? Share at a par, share at a premium, share at a discount. If the share value is rupees 100, issued at rupees 100, it is called share at a par. If the share value is rupees 100, issued at rupees 120, it is called share at a premium. If the share value is rupees 100, issued at rupees 80, it is called share at a discount. We already discussed the last session. Now, in this session today, we are going to check if the shares are issued in purchase of an asset. If any asset is purchased, if they have been paid only in the form of share, how to pass the entry? The entry goes like this. If any asset purchased, asset account data to vendor account data to share capital account. What is the entry? Asset account data to vendor account data to share capital account. Assume that we purchased the building. Entry, building account data to vendor account data to share capital account. If we purchase furniture account data to vendor account data to share capital account. If we purchase the machinery, what is the entry? Machinery account data to vendor account data to share capital account. This is entry. Then whatever you issue to public, that goes. We'll go to problem. I will explain how it will go now. See that shares issued for purchase of the asset. Moon Company Limited, nominal capital of rupees 5 lakh in shares of rupees 10 each. So what's the amount? 5 lakh in shares of rupees 10 each. 5 lakh divided by 10 means 50,000 share. Then 10,000 shares were issued as fully paid up in payment of building purchase. In order to purchase the building, how many shares were issued? About 10,000 shares were issued at the rate fully paid up. 10 means 10,000, 10 is 1 lakh. Building purchase, and 5,000 shares were issued as fully paid up at the rate of 10 rupees fully paid up in payment of machinery purchase. What's the entry? Machinery account data to vendor account. What's the value? That is 5,000 into 10, 50,000 regarding the building. 10,000 into 10 is 1 lakh. What's the entry? Building account data 1 lakh to vendor account 1 lakh. Vendor account data 1 lakh to share capital account 1 lakh. Regarding the machinery account data to vendor account 5,000 into 10, 50,000. Vendor account data to share capital account. Now, the problem says about 20,000 shares were issued to public as payable. They are going to pay 2 on application, 1 on allotment, 1 on the first call, 1 on the final call. Totally it will comes 5 rupees. How they are going to issue? 2 rupees on application, 1 rupee on allotment, 1 rupee on first call, 1 rupee on final call. So how many shares issued to public? 20. But public subscribe says amount received were as follow. 1,500 share full amount. He paid the full amount on how many share? 1,500. 3,500 share, they paid rupees 4. They paid only rupees 4. Regarding the 1000 share, they paid at rupees 3 per share. Means he paid application, he paid allotment. Regarding the 500 share, he paid rupees 200. He paid only application, fails to pay allotment, fails to pay the first call, fails to pay the final call. Regarding the 1000 share, he paid application, he paid allotment, he fails to pay the first call, he fails to pay the final call. The last one, the director forfeit the share on which less than 4 had been paid. Who has been paid less than 4, their share have been forfeited. If we see that now, 500 share now, if we see that only this 1000 share paid less than 4. 500 share paid less than 4 means their shares were forfeited. Whose share? 1500 shares were forfeited. Regarding the 3500 share is not at all forfeited. A chance has been given. He may become the shareholder. Still chance is there. Who? 3500 share. Now we'll move on to entries now. How the entries goes? First entry. Building account debtor 10,000 into 10. 10,000 share of rupees 10 each. Fully paid up. Rupees 1 lakh to vendor account 1 lakh. What's the entry? Building account debtor 1 lakh to vendor account 1 lakh. What is the next entry? Vendor account debtor 1 lakh to share capital account 1 lakh. This goes in favor of building. Regarding the machinery, you issued 5,000 share of rupees 10 each. It works out how much? 50,000. What's the entry? Machinery account debtor to vendor account. Next entry, vendor account debtor to share capital account. Both have been paid in the form of share. Now, one have been given as a building, another has given as a machinery. So 10,000 in 10, 1 lakh. 5,000 and 50,000 they fail in the form of asset purchase. Now we issue to public. Totally how much? 6,500. How they have been applied? 2 on application, 1 on allotment, 1 on the first call, 1 on the final call. So go with the application. First entry. Bank account debtor 6,500 at the rate of rupees 2. What's the entry? Bank account debtor 6,500 into 2. Total how much? 6,500 at the rate of rupees 2 you got. 6,005, 13,000 to share application account 30. We receive 13,000 for sake of share application. That has been transferred to share capital. Share application account debtor to share capital. That has been transferred to share capital account. Entry. Bank account debtor to share application account debtor to share capital account. Then we move on to allotment. What's allotment? 1 rupee. Share allotment account debtor 6,500 into rupee 1. 6,500 to share capital account 6,500. We have to collect how much? 6,500. Now who fails? The first man who holds 500 share paid only application but fails to pay the allotment money. So we are going to collect only on 6,000. Here 6,000 into 1. We collect 6,000. How much you could not collect? 500 into 1. What is calls in arrears? Called by the company, not paid by the shareholder is called calls in arrears we say. How much arrears is there? 500 is to be received. How much is there? 500. How much collected? This is, we collected the 6,000. What's the entry? Bank account debtor, calls in arrears account debtor to share allotment account. We collect. Actually, we have to collect 6,500. How much collected? 6,000. How much you could not be collected? 500. That is in favor of allotment. We'll go to first call. Share first call account debtor 6,500 into rupee 1. What's the entry? Share first call account debtor to share capital account. Now who fails? Here 500 now, paid only application, fails in allotment, fails in the first call, fails in the final call. Then regarding the 1,000 share, he paid application, he paid allotment, fails in the first call, fails in the final, he also failed. So you are going to collect only 5,000 into 1. This you are going to collect. How much you could not collect? 1,500 into 1. 500 plus 1,000, 1,500 could not be collected. This is collected. 5,000 is collected. On how many share? 5,000 share. How much you could not collected? 1,500. It includes 500 plus 1,000, 1,500. Then we go to find second and final call. Share second call account data 6,500 into 1, 6,500. To share capital account 6,500. This goes in favor of the second call. Now who become the shareholder? Only 1,500. That is next entry. Bank account data 1,500 into 1, 1,500 he paid. On how many shares he could not get? 5,000 into 1. This includes what? 500, 1,000, 3,500. Totally how much? 5,000. They could not pay. 5,000 is a debit entry. How much collected? 1,500. They become the shareholder to the extent of 1,500. Now, the problem says the director forfeit the share. Who paid less than rupees 4? Who paid less than rupees 4? Who paid less than rupees 4? 500 now. They paid less than rupees 4. 1,000. They paid less than rupees. Both the shares were forfeited. First man. This goes in the favor of 500 shares. This goes in favor of 500 share. Entry. Share capital account data. This is 500 into rupees 5. That is 2,500 to forfeit a share. What he has paid? Only application fees. 500 into 2. He has to pay 2,500. What he paid? Only 2 on application. 500 into 2. How much he could not pay? 500 into 3. Where he fails? Fails in allotment, fails in the first call, fails in the... What's allotment? 1 rupee on allotment, 1 rupee on first call, 1 rupee on final call. So 500 into is 15,000. This goes in favor of 500 share. Then another 1,000 shares are there. Share capital account data 1,000 into 5. 5,000. What he has paid? He paid application, he paid allotment. 2 on application, 1 on allotment. 1,000 into 3. He paid. How much he could not pay? Then he paid application, allotment and first. He could not pay another 2 rupees. 1,000 into 2. 2,000. So 1,000 share now, he paid application, he paid allotment, he fails to pay the first call, he fails to pay the final call, he could not pay the 2. How much already paid? This is paid. This is also paid. So totally they paid forfeited amount, 3,000 we received. 1,000 from the first shareholder, 3,000 from the share. How much already collected? 4,000. That means forfeited, not reissued. Forfeited, not reissued. I think understand this. This goes in favor of 500 share. This goes in the favor of 1,000 share. So one have been issued to public. So who become the shareholder? Only 1,500 become the shareholder. Then we'll go to bank account. We collect the money on application. We collect the money on allotment. We collect the money on the first call. You collect the money on the second call. There is no reissue is there. That's why this entry has come. See that how the money have been collected. We'll go one by one. Here there is no bank account. Here we see that how much you collected. 13,000. There's a bank is there. This is share application. Then see that how much you collected here? Bank account data 6,000. This is in favor of allotment. 13,000 in the favor of application. 6,000 in the favor of allotment. Then we go bank account. How much you collect? 5,000 in favor of first call. Then bank account. How much you collected? 1,500. Then there is no bank account at all. Say you collect 13,000 on application. 6,000 on allotment, then 5,000 on the first call, 1,500 second call. So how much you collected? 25,500. That comes to here. By balance carried down, 25,500 is going to remain the cash at bank. How much you collected? 25,500 you collected. That is going to remain in the cash at bank. Then how we have prepared balance sheet, I will explain. Here, the company has been issued 50,000 share of rupees 10 each means 5 lakh. This is your registered capital. This is your registered capital. The company has been registered, authorized. How much money? They can collect how much money? 5 lakh from the public. The company has got a power to issue the share and collect the money. How much money we can collect? 5 lakh from the public. That is authorized. By the articles of association, they have been authorized. We can collect how much money? 5 lakh. Here, we collected how much? 1,75,000. How now? 1 lakh has been issued in the form of building. 50,000 has been issued in the form of machinery. Another 25,000 we collected in the form of the public is considered. I will show how this 25,000 will come. 1,50,000. 1 lakh in the form of building. 50,000 in the form of machinery. Another how much is there? 25,000. I will show you how 25,000 will come. See the share application to share capital. How much is there? 13,000. You remember this entry? Share capital. How much is there? 13,000. One entry. 13,000 rupees. Then share capital. How much is there? 6,500. Credit entry. Another 6,500 to be collected. Next entry. Another 6,500, 13 plus 6,500, 6,500 become 13, 13 plus 13. Here 26,000 is there now. Then here share capital account 6,500. It becomes how much? 32,500. Total how much will come? 32,500. You go to working note. First, how much you collected? 13,000. Then collected 6,500, then collected 6,500. See that? I will show you. Here, 13,000, then 6,500, then 6,500. Second call, 6,500. Then share capital debit entry. Here, 2,500 and 5,000 here. If you go, that is a totally 7,500 debit entry. I will show you. This is 13. 13 plus 26. No. Here 13. 6,500. 6,500 is 13 plus 13. 26,000 plus 6,500. 32,500 to be collected. How much debit entry goes? 7,500 goes. Collected how much? 25,000. This is an application. This is an allotment. This is the first call. This is allotment. This goes application. This goes in favor of allotment. First application, then allotment. This is first call. This is the second call. To be collected. How much money to be collected? 32,500. How much debit entry? 2,500 and 5,000. How much debit entry? 7,500. How much collected? 25,000. So 1 lakh rupees in the form of building, 50,000 in the form of machinery, 25,000 from the totally 1 lakh, 75,000. I'll show you in the balance sheet. 1 lakh, 75,000. 1 lakh plus 50 plus 25, 1 lakh 75. Call scenarios on how many share? About 3,500 share. This is the last entry for feature. First entry 1,000 for feature. Second one 3,000. Totally 4,000 will come. It will come. You'll see the entry also for feature entry. Here 2 calls in 2 for featured. How much you got? 1,000. Then you got 3,000. Totally how much? 4,000. This 4,000. You prepare the balance sheet. Cash at bank. How much will come? 25,500. How much building purchase? 1 lakh, which is a fixed asset. Building is a fixed asset. Machinery is a fixed asset, no investment. Whereas cash at bank is a current asset. So it will tally for 1,75,500. It contains 1 lakh of the building, 50,000 of the machinery, 25,000 of the public. Totally 1,75,000. How much call scenarios? On 3,000 share, 500 share, it is not forfeited. Call scenarios still have got share final call account data to share capital account, call scenarios account data to share. Till they can become the shareholders, calls in. Yes, this is forfeited, not reissued. Forfeited, not issued. How much there? 4,000. So it will tally for 1,75,500. Okay. So in this session, we discuss how the asset have been purchased in the form of share capital. When the asset is purchased, what's the entry? Asset account data to vendor account data to share capital account. Same machinery, what we have purchased, building and machinery. What's the entry? Building account data to vendor account, 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. Building account data to vendor account data to share capital account. We purchase the machinery. How much? 5,000 into 10, 50,000. What's the entry? Machinery account data to vendor account data to share. Then we have issued to 20,000 to public, but they subscribe only 6,500. Only 1,500 becomes the shareholder. So we have shown how you pass the journal entry, how you calculate the cash at bank. Any asset is purchased, building, that will come the asset side also, on the liability side also as a share. So any asset is purchased entry, asset account data to vendor account data to share capital account. So far, we have solved when the shares are issued at par, at a discount, at a premium, forfeited and reissue when the assets have been purchased in the form of share. All types of problems you have worked out. In the next session, we are going to solve one more good problem regarding the forfeiture, purchase of asset, forfeited and reissue. Then we'll go to next chapter. We'll have a good problem in the next session. And after completing that problem, we can move on to next chapter called redemption of preference. Till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next class.